Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be checking out Hot Wheels 2022 Toy Fair Porsche 935 76. This is supposed to be they're limited to, like, I don't know, I think hear rumors to like 700 to 800 range. This is what it looks like in the case. Basically, I had to sell a left lung and one kidney to get this. But we will take it out of the case and check it out together. I've had this for about 2 weeks now and had to sell a few things off to be able to get this because these are not cheap. But we will take it out of the box. There's the box. These are given to out to buyers, I think, and other people, I guess sales reps and I don't know, whoever else gets them. But sometimes these boxes don't want to cooperate. But we will dismount this and put it up on the turntable and take a look at it. There's no kind of number, as you can see on the underside, so you know, we all know how many of these escape the factory, but many of those are unspun or they don't have the case with them. When they have the case with them like this, they're usually pretty legit. So it does have a black plastic base. The newer, 10 spoke. The newer, like a bronze color 10 spoke plastic wheels with the rubber tires. And it's kind of like a lighter blue Spectraflame paint. All right, as we can see here, it's up on the turntable and it's looking pretty awesome. The blue could be a little bit better. I kind of wish the of course, like I said, they give these out for free, so they probably don't really care what they look like. But I think the blue's a little cheesy. It's kind of crappy in person, but it's still beautiful regardless. I just think I think if the body would be more polished and then they would spray that thin down lacquer over it, it would look a little bit better. But they're just doing a raw Zamac and then they spray over it, so you're not going to get that chrome effect as like the newer blue M3 that just came out. But still, either way, this is going to be pretty rare and probably will be sought after for future generations. I can't tell if the red taillights are actually red pieces of plastic in the back or they're painted in. I think they're painted in. You can see there, I'm not sure if the standard 935 has it, but it has the kind of like a rough texture above the front windscreen there, windshield, to represent kind of like a tint band. You can kind of see it right there. So I'm not sure if the other ones have that or not. Let's stop it here and take a look here at it. Either way, it is pretty freaking awesome though. I'm kind of glad to add this to my collection. The white on the back wing, it looks like a sticker, but it's not. It is also, I'm pretty sure it's also a Tampo. 22 hence for the year 2022. But I can't really tell. Let me look closer. Yeah, I think it's painted. The lenses for the back, it looks like they're painted. Really cool though. So I'm going to bring in my 2016 Toy Fair. Let me zoom out a little bit here. I'm going to bring that in next to it just for poops and giggles. Of course, that is this is a really sought after piece now as well. And that was another one I had to sell off a bunch of things I didn't really want to sell off back when I originally purchased it, but I'm glad to have it in my collection. I kind of wish the 935 had a better finish on it, like the 934 does there, that orange chrome. It's not bad. I mean, it's still wicked either way and very limited edition, especially considering now how Hot Wheels doesn't really do any limited edition runs. I guess the convention pieces, some of them are very limited. But I just thought you guys might want to check that out and see it. I know this is probably going to be under 10-minute video. We'll keep it that way. Now, I lost all my videos. I had a whole bunch on TikTok, and for whatever reason, all of them got removed off TikTok, which made no sense to me. I'm still not sure what happened. I wrote to them twice on there to get them all restored. And so anyway, I'll take a couple clips probably of this to be able to post on TikTok. Maybe also on Instagram. I'm on Instagram a lot if anyone ever needs to get a hold of me. I'm on there more than YouTube. I'm going to try to get back to doing regular videos on YouTube. I just got very burned out. So I took like, I don't know how long off, 7 months or something, 8 months off, whatever it was. Probably wasn't long enough, but there you go. Oh, I did bring up the Matchbox Toy Fair Porsche 2, which is a hideous color. It's like a matte copperish orange color Rally 911, which it's not very attractive. I didn't pay that much for it back when. I don't know what they go for now, but I think I only paid like $50 for it at the time. Looks like it wants to wander off. There's a fly flying around the. Where'd that fly go? There it is. I forget what year that is. 2019, I guess. Yeah. 2019. It's cool. I mean, it's still cool either way. And my collection mainly focuses on Porsches. So that's why I have those three. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the bell for notifications, all that fun stuff. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I appreciate it. I'm going to soon hit 11,000 here soon. I've been on YouTube, I think 7 or 8 years or something like that. So it took a long time to get to 10,000. But we're slowly getting to 11,000 now. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate your loyal listening. We'll just put these two together since they're obviously the best ones. Very cool. Kind of wish the new one had white lettered tires, but they're so low profile, I guess there's really no room to put any kind of labeling. But I think it definitely needs a more of a racing looking tire, and the rims, I'm not real too keen on the wheel choice either for it. Alrighty, you guys have a good night, and I will see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye now.